Are you new to WhatsApp status? It's basically WhatsApp version of stories from Instagram, but most beginners miss the best features. In today's video, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp status step by step. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Open up your WhatsApp on your phone. Then, tap on Updates on the bottom left corner. Here you can see your friends' latest updates on WhatsApp. And you can tap on your own to add your own status. Here you have the option to add a text, music, layout, or a voice. If you're familiar with posting IG stories, this should be a piece of cake. For example, in this video, I will just want to post an update on today's weather, so I will just select text. Then I will type in, "It's a beautiful day." Once I'm done, I can select who can view this status by tapping on status here. I can allow everyone in my contacts or exclude someone from my contacts or just specifically to someone in my contacts. Once I'm done, tap on the green arrow icon here and my status will be posted on my WhatsApp. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.